guys, Anne Marie here, and today I'm sharing my quick and easy card organization and storage system. I've now made 3 videos where I use an entire 6x6 pad to make a whole lot of cards, and I no longer have a whole lot of room to store them. I've given away some, but my system, it just really needed an overhaul anyway. I previously put all the cards I made into this large basket. I started with putting cards in Ziplocs by category, but that was kind of cumbersome to actually use. And so I got so irritated eventually, I just started dumping the cards in the top of the basket. And then, of course, I got irritated on the other end because I couldn't find what I needed when I needed it. So I had to do something. This basket's about 10 inches deep and 12 inches across. And it's overflowing not just with cards, but it's also the home that I have for my mailing supplies. And so, yeah, it just wasn't tenable anymore. I am a simple gal. I appreciate minimalism, using what you have and using it efficiently and effectively. So first I shopped at home and I found these 2 Sterilite containers that I thought might work. They had previously held crayons and art supplies that my children have sadly outgrown, but I'm happy that they're available for me to use, I won't lie. These are Sterilite, like I said, and I put a non-affiliate link, just a plain old link, to similar ones in the description box below. I always highly recommend trying to use what you have, and if you can't use what you have, then go look for not specifically card-related storage, because frankly, they're a ripoff. I looked at some of these systems and they're just so expensive, and this was free. Everything was stuff I already had, and it was easy and quick. First, I needed to organize my cards and see what I had. So I went through the entire pile of cards and created piles according to their sentiments. I discovered a lot of kind of general type note cards. That's really my favorite to make because it can cover any occasion. I also had a lot of thank you cards. Some I qualified as kind of a general congratulations category. Some I put into an encouragement category, which for me included sympathy and get well type cards. I found some Christmas cards, which I was happy about because I haven't started yet for this year. And I also found quite a few birthday cards. So there were only a few of some other types like miss you and love. So I did create a small miscellaneous category as well. I really love rainbow color organization. So I decided on Roy G. Bipp plus black as my neutral for my 7th category. I then assigned the categories based on loose color associations. This system is obviously subjective, and of course you can sort by whatever makes sense to you. Alphabetical order, number of cards, include more categories, use all one color, just any method that makes sense to you. Next, I found cardstock in all those colors from my stash. My cards fit in this box, but it's an almost perfect fit. There's not really a wide margin of space all around them. So I cut the dividers to the same exact size as an A2 card, which is 4.25 by 5.5 inches. And then I punched matching color file tabs. I just hand wrote my categories and I attached them to the top at staggered placements. You can use files, dies, punches you already own. You can label them with stickers or a label maker. You could create a whole template and cut things out by hand. Anything, any variation that you prefer. Unfortunately, I could not find the one white pen I thought I had kept, so I had to switch to a gray for my final divider. For the fun part, I get to load them into their new home. I was excited to find I have room to grow. I anticipate my mother-in-law, my mom, taking some home with them at Thanksgiving, so that will be very helpful. But I also have 6x6 paper pad videos planned for the next 6 months. So that's a lot of cards. I'm going to drown in cards soon. So I'm glad I did this, and I'm glad I have room to grow. That Christmas section it's going to balloon up here after my next 6x6 video, because that's what it is. And then it's going to go back down as I use those up. So I'll have room for the January through May videos that I have planned. Anyway, I hope you like my system. It is not revolutionary, of course, but it is for me personally, because at least now I have one. The one that I was using before, it was awful. I would love to see your methods of card organization, so please comment below with your channel or your Instagram handle, and I will come check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, because at last check, about 74% of my viewers weren't subscribed, and I would really appreciate your support. I will see you next week with another video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a scrappy, happy week. Bye!